You make me okay, let's go out. When I see you moving okay, like the air. I love when you groove like that. Okay, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Okay, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
Ethan, you ready for school?
Wait, homeroom. First period.
Yeah, I don't. Shut up.
It's okay.
I hate school. In a world. Okay, that's it. I did not know how zoomed in that was. Drink. Drink. Hey, beautiful. Beautiful you.
Why is the red light blinking?
Howey, what's up?
Ceiling. Bring you back to 4th grade.
What?
Tell your girlfriend that she's the sweetest person I've ever met.
You're the sweetest person I've ever met, Gabby.
No, that I've ever met.
That I've ever met. From Emma. Kyle, what do you have to say?
Your camera looks weird.
What? Oh yeah, it kind of looks like it doesn't have a hat or something.
Sometimes you think about
Sound system.
all the ways I'm making you smile.
You guys go.
Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. We're gonna fall in love.
Sleeping sounds really nice.
I did that, watch.
Hi, Dawson. You okay? Guys, this is the real scenery from the outside. This is real. Dawson is part of the farm life. Time to die. Stupid thing in the pump. Love me. Time to go. The internal mic is terrible. I do apologize. Dawson Ford. Dawson Ford. Anthony Wilson.
I'm not an emo.
I know you're not emo, Dawson.
I'm an Elmo.
Yes, that is true. Hey, I'm filming a documentary on Kyle's life.
What's the word? Is it? It's not
Reaction?
eulogy. I'm thinking of a word. Word.
Epiphany. You had an epiphany.
Yeah, there you go.
You had a Tiffany. Cool. It's a Gabby. Hi, the Gabby. Pumpkin spice to complete. What is that?
It's my concrete mixer.
Hey, sky. Enjoy it while it lasts. Winter's gonna ruin it.
Shut up!
You look orange now. Like pumpkins. Gabby's gone, and now it's time for me to sleep. I think this is probably the weekend I've looked forward to most in a long time. And it's still gonna be busy. It's not like it's gonna be a fun weekend, but I need a weekend. Thank you guys for supporting me through this week. Your support has meant more than I can ever say. I'm excited to be making vlogs again. Please forgive the terrible audio until I get a new mic. Please forgive the less conventional zoom-ins until I get a new lens. I have to tell you something. I'm pregnant.